In a world full of Teslas, I much rather drive something with a little bit more personality. Classic cars radiate character on the road, but most of the times, they lack the reliability we need nowadays. So when my dad asked me to help him with a V8 swap into a Land Cruiser, we quickly talked ourselves into a complete chassis swap restoration because the owner was looking for a modern classic. And this is when we stumbled across the perfect soul for this build. Not only is this platform notorious for reliability, it stays within the Toyota family, and for only 300 bucks, this rollover 3rd gen 4Runner was a no-brainer. The problem is, the geometry with the Land Cruiser and the 4Runner are a complete mismatch. There's only one way to fix that. Hold on, go to the other edge right here.
105. So we're 15 off. What I want to do is I want to take 15 because remember we were talking about 20 because I believe this is 20 right here. Let's do 15. We can always cut more. We can't cut less.
For a bit of context, the 4Runner, if you will, we measured the wheelbase to be 105 inches. The Land Cruiser wheelbase is 90. So to get the Land Cruiser to fit right on the 4Runner chassis, we need to shorten the frame 15 inches. Here it is, chopped 4Runner. Measure once, cut twice. So we're gonna just tack it in today and kind of have some bracing on the inside. Clean up the cuts. Oh shit! Clean up the cuts we made. And when we cut it, it was level. We're gonna level it out again. We have our measuring tool right here. We have our reference points. So now it's just a matter of lining everything up, welding it, and support. Here's the body right here for reference. It looks good. I mean, that's the size it is. That's tiny. Do you want to measure it again? Kind of just tacked up for now. Still gonna weld the other side, plate it, and then this member goes across. So this is kind of like where there was already a junction in the frame. So same spot, we chopped it, shortened it 15 inches to fit that Land Cruiser. And then the poor donor body right there got rolled over. Looks good though. strapping it down and welding it up. Then for the other side, piece here, it's not a channel, it's a tube. So I gotta chop it up and kind of just, you know, work with it to fit that there. I take a measurement of the space that we cut out and cut it onto this. Like I said before, measure once, cut twice, because after putting the Landcruiser body on top of the now chopped 4Runner frame, we ran into a few issues. The wheels didn't quite fit that well between the wheel wells, and also the engine was pushed too far forward for the Landcruiser's front end to fit. So we ended up actually chopping another 5 inches, and I think it fits a lot better because of the fact that we have a little bit more room to play with for the radiator and fans, and also it looks a lot better in the wheel wells. Anyways, I think it's a great start to this project, but with only weekends to work on this, we definitely have our work cut out for us.